MEMS World Summit has been fantastic this year. Networking in an informal environment is actually invaluable, so you get to know the person more than just the subject matter.
This is a great opportunity to meet the key persons and key players in the MEMS area.
Actually, I think we are the first technology event which has a 50% representation on both sides of the gender.
It was the first time ever that we had 50% female speakers, so great job, ladies.
It's not your traditional expo. You're meeting directly with a lot of executives from companies.
So much industrial contributions and also from the university side.
The fact that we are together, we're able to not just to exchange plans and ideas, but also to find a way to collaborate together. This is very
Outstanding. It's been a really diverse set of speakers, from startups to larger companies to people kind of specifically focused on MEMS.
We have also the top research organizations from Europe and more than 50% female speakers.
I would recommend it for anybody who is really looking for a venue to exchange ideas and listen to other people in the industry.
It's an excellent summit with executive level people, nice presentation. They will bring more people next time.
So a lot of space for networking, talking to interesting people who are open to collaborate.
So I have recommended to participate this event if they haven't done it. This is the one place to meet all the major players in the MEMS industry.
It's a great opportunity seeing all the stakeholders, executives, all at the same time in the same event.
Fruitful for my person, and I think this was a really great event. Thank you.
Definitely would recommend other people to come here.
This is one of the best conferences.
I would recommend, yes.
a complete new experience. I will come back for sure.
I would like to attend next year.
Absolutely, I will come back. I will definitely come back next year.